Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to put the Axon Body Camera 4 in pairing mode. How do you actually activate pairing mode? This is the official manual. So first, I want you to go ahead and turn on the camera. Just remember that internet access is required to pair the camera with Axon View. Okay, then you open Axon View, you select your camera, and then you tap on Initiate Pairing. Then I want you to on the camera, press event, and select simultaneously. You'll actually hear three short rising pitch tones. The operation LED will blink blue as such, and the pairing will appear on display. Okay, and then you just follow the Axon view on-screen instructions, and then you tap the serial number for your camera, and when the pairing is complete, live video will appear in Axon View. Really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.